watch the sun go down over the same old town.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raeschelle. If you're new here, I make new videos every single Wednesday about motherhood and lifestyle. Today's video is going to be cleaning my daughter's playpen as well as sanitizing all of the toys, just to make sure everything is nice and clean that she's playing with. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the process that I use to clean all of her toys. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So first I'm going to get started by removing all of her toys from the playpen, and then I want you guys to take a look at how dirty the bottom of it is. If you've seen the full nursery tour, then you would have seen that we had a foam tile mat at the bottom of this to catch any spills, but my daughter used to chew it, so we had to take it out. So now I'm just kind of disassembling the whole entire thing so that way I can go ahead and throw it in the washer and get rid of all of those stains that she has in there. Up next, I'm looking through the rest of her toys just to see if I have anything else that can be thrown in the washing machine. I'm going to be using the Tide Free and Gentle, which is the same detergent that I use on her clothes. Now that the washing machine is going, I'm going to take this Glade Hawaiian Breeze vacuuming powder and just sprinkle it underneath where the playpen was, and then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it up. It smells so good, and I love it, and I use it every time I vacuum. I'm not sure why this clip came out blurry, but I forgot to wash this cover to her swing, so I'm just taking it apart, and then I'm going to go ahead and throw the seat cover into the washer as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and wipe her toys down with these Lysol disinfectant wipes, and then once I wipe them down, I'm going to go on top of that with this Dapple Toy and High Chair Spray. Yesterday, I'm going to keep it 100% real with you guys. After I did my first wipe down of her toys, me and her ended up taking a nap, and honestly we didn't wake up for like hours, and then we ate dinner and then we went right back to sleep. So yesterday I didn't finish filming because, you know, life just got in the way, and so I'm going to be finishing up today. And normally I get this all done in one day and relatively quick in one day, but you know, like I said, life got in the way and we're going to be finishing up today. And also, while I'm here talking to you guys already, I did want to mention that whenever I'm cleaning her toys, I always check toys for loose pieces. So you want to make sure that you're looking for loose screws if they have screws. Make sure that you're looking for just any piece that like moves. See if it's wiggly or if it's going to like pop off and break off, because kids will put any and everything in their mouth, especially my daughter. So I always make sure that there's no loose pieces that could come off and that she would eat and end up choking on. So yesterday I washed the actual playpen cover as well as any of her toys in the playpen that were machine washable, like the stuffed animals and stuff like that. But the stuffed animals did not go in the dryer because they do have toys like inside of the stuffed animal, like the little squeaky toys or like the play mirrors or whatever. So I went ahead and took those out and put them to the side so that way they could air dry. So now that the playpen cover is completely clean, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together.
Hands away, I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you.
You can just tell how much better this playpen is looking. All of those stains are gone and it looks nice and clean. There is one stain on it for some reason that won't come off, and I honestly have no clue what it is, but there's the little stain. But other than that, it is completely clean and it looks great. Next, I'm going to be putting the swing back together and putting the seat cover on it. And then I just wanted to go ahead and show you like how it pops open and then how it swings by itself. I love the swing, it's super cool, and it folds up really nicely and is super portable.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close. And
right here I'm dumping all of her stuffed animals back into the playpen, and then I'm going to be taking these 2 clips that came with the playpen and clip those onto the side and clip 2 stuffed animals on them. So this is what it looks like with the toys attached to it.
Again, it could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you.
Next I'm going to go ahead and put her cover back on her donut, and then this stupid little lion stuffed animal was like stuck up there. Like, look at him, he's hanging on for dear life. But I put the cover back on and put it back in the playpen, and we were all good. Okay, yes, I know this is my 3rd outfit change of the video. I was hot, I know it's summer, but it's cold in the house, but once I started moving, I got hot. So now we're in a t-shirt and I'm still hot, I'm sweating, but it's okay, I'm better. Alright, so when I left off yesterday, I had just finished wiping down all the toys with the Lysol wipes. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go over that. I normally do this all at one time. So I'm going to be taking my Dapple Baby High Chair and Toy Cleaning Spray. This brand is really good because it's non-toxic and it's a cleaner, so you know that your stuff is getting nice and clean without all the harsh chemicals. But the only thing with this is that it doesn't actually disinfect, which is why I went in with the Lysol wipes first. But I feel like it'll leave like a layer of the chemicals or whatever, and my daughter likes to put a lot of the stuff in her mouth. So I'm just going to be going over it with this and a cloth just to make sure that there's no harsh chemicals left over. So I'm just going to spray the cloth and start wiping. So I did mention it in the beginning of the video that I do clean the playpen about, like the actual playpen cover. I clean that about once a month, or at least I try to. And then her toys, I do try to clean them at least twice a month. Sometimes it varies, sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. And then also when I have like another kid over here playing in her playpen with her, then, you know, I always make sure that I clean and disinfect both the cover and the toys. Not saying that the kid is dirty, but I just want to make sure that everything is safe and clean and healthy for, you know, for anybody, for my kid or their kid when they're playing with their toys. And I think it's really important to make sure that your kids' toys are clean because, you know, that's what they're playing with. And even though, yes, it is just her, we don't have any pets or anything like that, and this is a brand new house, so it's a relatively clean environment, I still just want to make sure that, you know, her toys are safe for her to play with. And then, like I said, another reason why I do it so often is because I think it's really, really, really important to make sure that you're checking all of the toys for any loose pieces. So now that all of her toys are clean, I'm gonna go ahead and put them back in the playpen. I already know that she's just gonna like throw them in there everywhere anyway, so I just kind of toss them in there. But alright, so now that all the toys are back in the playpen, I wanted to show you a cool little feature on this playpen that we have. As you can see, at every point at the bottom, it has a little silicone suction cup, so that way you can suction cup it to the floor. Right now we have carpet, so obviously it's not going to suction, but if you did have hardwood or any kind of flat surface like hardwood, then you can go ahead and suction it to the floor and it won't move. And it also has these cool little entry and exits that you can zip and unzip from the outside, and my daughter absolutely loves it. And here's my baby playing with all of her toys that are now clean, and she's just having a blast and just enjoying all of her toys. And that's it. Now we have a clean playpen as well as the clean toys that my daughter can play with. Alright everybody, so that wraps up today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I put out new videos every single Wednesday about motherhood and lifestyle. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy, and I will see you guys next week.